Hey guys, it's me Matt. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I'm going to be doing a makeup video today. I've already done my foundation, concealer and bronzer, so I'm already loving life. I have got two palettes and I'm going to do half, like half my face with one palette, half my face with another palette. I love doing videos like this and I haven't done it in a while. And I'm going to be comparing two. So the first one I'm going to be using is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette for £35. Now, I love this palette. That's what it looks like inside. It's amazing. Some of the formulas in it is spot on, especially this green glitter colour. And quite recently, I think anyone who watches beauty videos knows that Jeffree Star is a bit of a grey subject at the moment. And I know there's still some people who are wanting this palette, but just does not agree with any of the things that Jeffree Star does or has done or is going through. And then I've seen the new I Heart Revolution makeup palette. This is the Love Spell. And I'm like, these two look the same. I mean, like, that is just like a mini version of that. I know this is much bigger and that one's much smaller. I mean, like, 1, 2, 3, 6, 12. That's 18 shades. And that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 30 shades. So you've got, like, just more than half, more than double. So I thought, can I make the same look from this one with this one, if that makes sense? So I love doing videos like this. It's just like I think I've done one with the James Charles Morphe palette and another one. Have I? I don't know. So let's get into the video. So as I say, I'm gonna start it off with this palette. Now I'm gonna have them both open so I can see similar shades. Now is the one I can go in with first. I'm gonna take on Honest Truth, which is that one, and from the I Heart Revolution, I'm gonna take Sublime. I know I like their skin tones, but they're pretty much the same. So that's what I am going to do with my mirror. So first, Honest Truth. Then I've got a colour switch, so I'm getting any excess powder off. And then I'm going to go in with Sublime from the I Heart Revolution. So the I Heart Revolution one is slightly more pinker on the skin tone than the Jeffree Star Morphe one, but does it? Can you like? Would you be able to notice there's a difference? I don't know. I don't think you could. So that is the first colour. So I'm going to get rid of any excess colour. Then I'm going to pick my next colour. Oh, and this one's actually £12, by the way, the I Heart Revolution one. I forgot to mention that one. So this one was £35 and that one was £12. So there's a huge difference. So the next one I'm going to use is Pink Fleet, which is this pink one here. And then from the I Heart Revolution one, I'm going to use Bewitch, which is this one here. So Jeffree Star one, Morphe. I hope. Ooh, that's not as pigmented. So it's not. This one is the I Heart Revolution one. I had to go in with a second dip. So the I Heart Revolution one is definitely a bit more like powdery. So we shall see what it looks like on the eyes. Then going in with the I Heart Revolution one. So they are the two. This one's more brighter, I think. What do you think? But to somebody who didn't know these was two different palettes, they look the same. I'm impressed. I had to blend more on this one to make it work, but other than that, no issues so far. So the next two shades I'm going to use is a red shade. So I'm going to use Calabasas from Morphe X Jeffree Star, and then from the I Heart Revolution one, this other one I'm going to use Spellbook, which is slightly lighter. So I think this is where it's going to look different. So with swatches, that is Calabasas, and this one is Spellbook. So as I say, this one's more powdery again. So that one's that one. Get rid of any dust. Shadow, powder. Now Spellbook. So I am excited to see where this leads. So what next? So I'm going to go back with Pink Fleet, which is the fuchsia pink, and Bewitched. Which one? Which one was it? Oh, Bewitched. That one. And go underneath the eye. I want to add like a bit more dark purple to it. I feel like that one's more purple, but I don't know if it's just my imagination. I wonder if I can make it more red by adding more red. I don't know. I think I'm going to mess it up if I do that. I think I'm going to use a green shimmer though. I know green shimmer with pink eyeshadow will be like, wow. But that's just me. Well, actually, I'm going to go in with a copper shimmer. So, for this one, you have Girl. I can't say that. Which is that one. Actually, I need a different finger. I'm going to get some, wow. I'm going to clean my hands. So I forgot the palettes are heavily pigmented and now my hands are heavily pink. So back to the, I'm going to go in copper. Copper. So from the Jeffree Morphe palette is Girl, and I lost it. Oh, Girl. I think I'm too something to actually get away with saying Girl. Is that how you say it? I don't know. So, Girl and Beloved, which I think I actually like this one, like the I Heart Revolution one. Go in. It's not as foily on the eye. Maybe I need my finger. Right, I'm going to try my finger. Can't really see it, can ya? I don't know. So let's go in with the I Heart Revolution. I'm going to go and strike with my finger because that worked better with that one. So this is Beloved. So for the inner corner shimmer from Jeffree Morphe, I am going to use Dog Mom, which is this one here. And from I Heart Revolution, I forgot which one it was. Cosmic. That one's more chunky. It's nice though. That is lovely. So now get off any extra powder and I'm going to go in with Cosmic. So what do you think? I feel like there's something missing. Actually, I'm going to add a bit of the colours that I added into the inner corners just to highlight underneath my brows. So that was Dog Mom. And Cosmic. So it's definitely a on Wednesdays we wear pink moment. But yes, I am liking it. I can't see to tell the difference at the moment. So I'm going to go away and do my what are these called? Eyelashes, mascara, highlighter, and lips, and I'll get straight back to you. And you know me, I can't do an all pink eye without having a dark lip. So I have put on the NYX Liquid Suede Cream in shade, come on, I know this one, Stone Fox, and I'll put on a gloss on top of that to make it more glossy. So I am loving it. Can you tell the difference with the eyes? So this one is the Morphe Jeffree Star, and this one is Drugstore Superdrug I Heart Revolution. So £35, £12. What do you think? Which one do you prefer if you can tell the difference? If you can't, then do you like the look? I love doing videos like this. I think I'm going to start planning a few more. But yeah, I love the lip. Who likes the lip more than the eyes? Actually, I don't know. Yeah, I love the lip more than the eyes. So yes, that is today's video. Thank you for watching. Leave all your thoughts down below. I hope that you are a returning subscriber, and if you're not, then and you just discovering me for the first time, please hit that red subscribe button, and I shall see you all in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.